In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change groups in Board View in Notion. If you use boards to manage projects, tasks, or ideas, grouping is what turns a messy collection of cards into a clear, organized workflow. I'll walk you through how to switch the grouping property. Adjust your groups on the fly, rearrange columns, and add a second layer of organization with subgroups, all without losing context. Start by opening your database in Board View. At the top right, you'll see the three-dot menu. Click that. Choose Group and then pick the property you want to group by. Common choices include Status, Select, Multi-Select, or Person. Selecting Status or a single select property creates a column for each option like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Grouping by person is great for seeing who owns what, while multi-select lets items appear in multiple relevant columns when they have more than one tag. The key is to pick the property that best reflects how you want to scan your work at a glance. If you are grouping by a select or multi-select property, you can fine-tune your columns directly on the board. To create a new group, add a new column and give it a clear, short name that your team will recognize. To rename an existing group, click its name, edit it, and press Enter. If a group no longer makes sense, click its name and delete it. Notion will keep your pages safe. You can always reassign them to the right options afterward. Keeping group names consistent and unambiguous helps prevent confusion as your database grows. You can also control the order of your groups to match your workflow. Just click and drag any column header left or right. Place the most frequently used or most urgent groups near the front and move lower priority columns to the end. A thoughtful left-to-right flow makes it faster to scan your board and reduces context switching. When you need more nuance, add a second dimension with subgroups. Open the three-dot menu again. Choose Subgroup and select a property for your horizontal rows. For example, you might group columns by status and subgroup by priority, or group by person and subgroup by status. This creates a grid-like board where each card sits at the intersection of two properties, helping you spot patterns and balance workload more easily. That's all you need to master grouping in Notion's Board View. Set the right grouping property, refine your columns, arrange them to match your process, and introduce subgroups when you need extra clarity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.